Have you ever wondered how to manifest financial abundance in your life? It begins with setting clear intentions. You see, the universe is a grand stage and we are its performers. Every performance requires a script, a blueprint of what we want to achieve. In the context of financial abundance, this script is your financial goal. So, how do you write this script? You start by defining your financial goals with precision. Whether you want to pay off your mortgage, start a business, or build a retirement nest egg, be as specific as possible. Next, articulate the purpose behind each goal. Are you seeking financial freedom to travel the world, or perhaps to provide a better life for your family? The universe resonates with clarity and specificity. Remember, your intentions are like seeds. When sown with precision and purpose, they take root in the fertile ground of the universe. With well-defined intentions, you set the stage for the universe to respond. Now that you've set your intentions, it's time to visualize your abundance. Think of visualization as a powerful tool to attract wealth and prosperity. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the life you desire. Picture yourself living with the financial abundance you've set your intentions for. Feel the emotions associated with this abundance. Is it relief, joy, freedom, excitement? Let these feelings wash over you. Imagine the details of your life. What does your home look like? How do you spend your days? What experiences are you able to enjoy thanks to your prosperity? Remember, you're not just daydreaming here, you're feeling the emotions, you're living the experience. This vivid imagery and emotional connection enhance the power of your manifestation. It's like sending a beacon to the universe, showing it exactly what you want. As you visualize, you're not just dreaming, you're attracting your reality. Words carry power, and affirmations can be your tool for attracting wealth. They are more than just feel-good quotes or motivational sentences. They are powerful declarations that can reshape your mindset and align your thoughts with prosperity. Consider this. The language we use often reflects our beliefs and, by extension, our reality. When you affirm positive statements about wealth and abundance, you're essentially programming your mind to believe and accept these as your truth. So what might these affirmations look like? Well, you could start your day by saying, "I effortlessly attract money." Or before bed, you might whisper to yourself, "Abundance flows to me in both expected and unexpected ways." The key here is repetition and belief. By consistently repeating these affirmations and truly believing in their power, you can start to shift your mindset towards one of prosperity. Speak prosperity into your life with affirmations and watch your financial reality transform. Manifestation isn't just about wishing, it demands action. It's about creating a roadmap to your financial abundance and taking deliberate steps to make it a reality. You see, the universe responds to action, not just intentions. So what does taking inspired action look like? Well, it could be acquiring a new skill that increases your earning potential. It could be exploring business opportunities that resonate with your passions and strengths. It could be investing wisely or developing a strategic savings plan. Remember, these aren't random actions. They are inspired by your financial goals and fueled by your aspirations. These actions are your way of communicating with the universe, of saying, "I am ready. I am taking charge of my financial destiny." And as you take these steps, you're not just dreaming about abundance, you're actively creating it. You're transforming your financial dreams into tangible realities. As you take deliberate steps toward your goals, you're not just dreaming, you're creating your abundance. Gratitude is the gateway to abundance. It's a simple yet profound truth that can change the trajectory of your financial journey. Recognizing and appreciating what you currently have is an integral part of attracting more abundance into your life. It's about cultivating a mindset of plenty rather than scarcity. Imagine the money you have right now. It might not be the fortune you're aiming for, but it's a start. Be thankful for it. Acknowledge the freedom and opportunities it provides. This is the foundation of your future abundance. Now turn your attention to the wealth you're manifesting. Express gratitude for it, as if it's already part of your reality. Feel the joy, the relief, the excitement that comes with it. This practice aligns your energy with the frequency of abundance, creating a powerful magnetic pull. Remember, gratitude isn't just an emotion, it's an action. As you nurture gratitude, you're opening up to receive more from the universe. To fully embrace abundance, we must release resistance. This is a simple yet profound truth. It's the key to unlocking the door to financial prosperity. It's about letting go of those limiting beliefs, those doubts, those fears that have been holding you back from manifesting the wealth you desire. You see, resistance serves as a barrier, blocking the flow of abundance. It manifests as nagging doubts, fears of failure, or even the belief that you're not deserving of wealth. But here's the thing. These are just thoughts, and thoughts can be changed. Identify these limiting beliefs, acknowledge them, and then let them go. Replace them with empowering thoughts of deservingness, of abundance, of prosperity. It's time to unblock the flow, to release the resistance. Remember, you are deserving of wealth. You are capable of manifesting your financial goals. So let go of the resistance. As you release resistance, you're inviting the flow of abundance into your life. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. This journey we have embarked upon together today has been about cultivating an abundance mindset. We've set clear, intentional financial goals and visualized the prosperity we desire. We've crafted positive affirmations to reshape our mindset and align it with a prosperous outlook. We've identified inspired actions to take towards our financial goals and fostered a sense of gratitude for the wealth we already possess and the abundance yet to come. We've released resistance by letting go of limiting beliefs, opening ourselves to receive the prosperity we deserve. It's crucial to remember consistency is key. Keep these steps in your daily routine, trust in your ability to manifest wealth, and watch as the universe aligns with your intentions. Thank you for joining us on this guide to manifesting money. May abundance effortlessly flow into your life.